MBM. Meat and bone meal. Meat and bone meal, MBM, is a dried and rendered product from animal tissues. Slaughter byproducts are routinely recycled for use in animal feeds. They are cooked, rendered, to produce a nutritional and economical feed ingredient. The byproducts used in feeds include meat trimmings, inedible parts and organs, fetuses, and certain condemned carcasses. Meat meal does not contain horns, hair, hoofs, manure, stomach contents, hide trimmings, added blood meal or poultry byproduct, but when the bones are added to meat meal, it is considered meat and bone meal. It is typically about 45 to 55% protein, 28 to 30% ash, 8 to 12% fat and 6 to 10% moisture. It is primarily used in the formulation of animal feed to improve the amino acid profile of the feed. The calcium content should not be more than 2.2 times the phosphorus content. A calcium content higher than this indicates additional calcium from a source other than bone. Animal products include meat and bone meal, blood meal, poultry byproduct meal, poultry meal, and feather meal. These are all concentrated sources of protein and amino acids, and some are also good sources of vitamins and essential minerals. In view of its nutritional properties, this product adds benefits to animal feed formulations, enabling bigger and better cost benefits. Meals of animal origin are important ingredients as far as their economic, health and nutritional aspects are concerned. Origin: Brazil, Australia, China, Vietnam, India, Thailand, Malaysia, Paraguay, Russia, Ukraine, Latvia, Turkey, Germany, EU, Estonia, Hungary, Pakistan, USA, South Africa, Romania, Poland, Denmark, Kyrgyzstan. We can negotiate deals as per buyer's requirement through our associated suppliers for any origin of MBM to any location. For any further info or assistance, please contact us at tn.ctg@live.com or imiconbd@gmail.com.